my nice curly hair routine video tutorial-ish. By the title of this video, yes, I'm going to be using Vaseline in my hair today. I never use Vaseline in my hair, and I know a few people grew up with using Vaseline in their hair, but me, no, we used to use grease and water and all that stuff. This is regular old Vaseline petroleum jelly, the same old thing that you find, you know, to put on your skin and stuff. But this time I'm going to try it in my hair. I've seen a lot of videos going around actually on YouTube about girls using petroleum jelly in their hair, and the results were really good. It left your hair really moisturized, especially for damaged ends, bleached ends, curly ends, all that type of stuff. So today I'm going to be letting you guys know how this works for me, and hopefully it does justice because I'm going to have this hairstyle for a shoot tomorrow. So it gotta work. Give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you like more natural hair videos, so keep on watching. So I decided to make this video more of a talk through video. So because I want you guys to know exactly how I feel in the action of this petroleum jelly, I'm just gonna separate my hair. I have my spray bottle right here and right here, so I'm just gonna wet my hair a lot. It's extremely dry right now. So I'm just going to really wet it, and then you'll see the rest. My hair a lot. So I'm just going to take a big chunk of Vaseline. And I'm so nervous, you guys. I feel like this is like the most weird thing to ever do. That's like putting mayonnaise on macaroni and cheese. Like, I just feel like Vaseline just doesn't go in your hair. And it feels weird right now. Alright, so I'm going to start from my ends. I have a big chunk right here. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. This is not supposed to be happening. Oh Lord. This up like crazy. Actually, do you know what it feels like? It kind of feels like putting edge control on your hair. Like actually using edge control as a grease. It doesn't feel as terrible as I thought it would feel. But I'm just gonna really comb it out and make sure it gets everywhere. Yeah, it doesn't really feel terrible. It really feels like putting edge control in your hair. It has kind of like a sticky feel to it just because my hair is wet. But I heard there's a lot of benefits of using Vaseline in your hair. I'm probably going to do a little voiceover of the benefits of them afterwards. But yeah, if Vaseline is really good for your skin, it should be really good for your hair now, huh? I feel bad, you guys. It really doesn't. I wonder if anybody's gonna try this video. Try this little concoction, as they say. Yeah, so I put it all through my hair. So I'm just gonna do a twist out, 2-strand twist out. Oh my gosh, it's starting to feel weird. I don't know how to explain it. Vaseline doesn't have any moisturizing properties. However, the protective layer it creates can lock in moisture from moisturizing products. This might help make your hair less prone to breakage. So the other benefits for it will claim that petroleum jelly can also be an easy way to combat scalp dryness. And honestly, if you have dry hair, dry scalp, this is going to do the trick. Use this as a styling gel to reduce frizz, but it may be too heavy for thin or fine hair. Well, since I clipped my ends, the ends are extremely hard to stay in a twist. However, we're going to just try in the morning time, hopefully. I believe it's gonna dry. It should dry by the end of the night before I put a bonnet on. So I'm gonna leave my hair, let it dry a little bit, put a bonnet on, and then in the morning I'll come back and show you guys the finishing product, how it is. I'll share with you guys how it made my hair feel, and all that good stuff. And I'll also add in the details about the benefits of putting petroleum jelly, Vaseline on your skin or your body. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's clip. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm gonna take out my hair to actually see what this Vaseline did to my hair. It's actually really soft. My hair feels extremely moisturized. What the heck? What the heck? It feels really moisturized, you guys. I don't know if you guys kind of see it, but like the definition, I can see like the curls are already gonna be good. So I'm just gonna take them out and then show you guys the finishing product. This is Vaseline in my hair. This is like the weirdest thing ever. This is Vaseline in my hair. Would you guys try this actually? Because I honestly think that I'll start doing this more often to my hair. I think I'll start adding Vaseline to my hair because the way that it's moisturized. So when you usually use cream-based curling products or any regular type of curling products, I feel like the moisture isn't as thick as it should be, especially for the winter time for us curly hair girls. Like when it's cold outside, the cold weather dries up your ends, especially having hair curly natural out. The weather just extremely damages my hair, so I feel like this is like an extra protective sealant on my hair shafts that are going to protect it from the cold. It's like when you rub Vaseline on your face to protect your skin from getting dry. I feel like it does the same. It serves the same purpose on your hair. So this is it. This is what my hair is looking like. So now I'm just going to separate it. Because you know, bigger hair is better hair. It brought extra length because of the Vaseline. Because my hair, when it's usually curly, it doesn't feel or it doesn't look as long as it is. The shrinkage be really all so real. This is the finishing product. I hope you guys like it. I just want to show you guys literally how defined and moisturized my hair looks. My hair never looks this moisturized when it's curly. So I definitely recommend you try this in your hair or don't try it at home. Either way, I don't really feel like petroleum jelly or Vaseline would do any harm to your hair. This is literally like the best that I've ever seen my curls. So moisturized. It feels so soft. Yes, it's extremely greasy, but however, I do feel like the cold weather is not going to have anything to do with my hair. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy more videos and challenges like this on my natural hair, please feel free to comment down below and let me know what you think, what your video ideas are, and I'll be sure to get them done for you guys. And I love doing my natural hair videos because I love my hair